the way to RN Long Neck Village, and it's like 30 minutes away from the White Temple. Okay. It's raining. Welcome. 7 p.m. At least merong ano. At least they have silong.
Yeah, the trees.
Trees. Even if it's raining. Friends of the
It's for us, right? Oh.
What is it?
What is this?
For sale.
Oh, for sale.
Yan po.
Ano yan?
May dalawa naman.
Keep going. You don't wanna go. The map says there's 5 villages.
Doon may mga puti. Ito lang sila.
Okay. Spirit Village Gate. Wow. Oh. I buy that. Yeah, 300. Yeah. Huh? No, too big. Too big. So we're gonna buy a fridge magnet. Let's say how much? So we have 300. I still have. What's this? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
3. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, fridge magnet. Pili. Meron ako hindi nabili na isa eh. Yung may carry-carry siya. May dala-dala siyang ano. May dala-dala siyang basket. Huh? This one? This one? 200. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng ganito. Oh, hindi yung ganyan. Ganyan. Yung maliit. Saan? Mamaya na. Pupunta pa tayo sa kabila. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. So beautiful place.
Hello?
Doon yung may mga ano kasi sa kabila. Oh, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you. Handmade? 100 lang. Ooh.
1, 2, 100. That's all you know. Handmade.
Handmade.
100 baht.
100 baht.
Lonit. 2.
100 baht too?
ไม่ใช่รถนี้หวัง 2 Lonit.
Long neck. Ah, mas mahal daw sa long neck. Mahal daw doon.
Okay.
100, 200 sa
100 baht.
Okay. Wait.
50 baht. Handmade.
Oh. Ano ba mas maganda? What's more, ano? This one, the elephant? Or the... What is this? What is the design? This elephant? This what is this? Flower?
นี่วาฮาเล่
Okay.
Go. No come back.
Huh? No come back?
No. Lonit.แล้วก็
Go over there. Okay. Thank you.
ยาวแล้วก็
Oh.
Lonit ก็
Okay. Hi. Kapun ka. What? 2? This one?
yeah.
Okay. I think that's cuter than this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ah, dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty inside.
Yeah. I got the trouble here.
Oh, okay.
100
100. How about this one?
บาท
Mm.
นี่ถือนี่ใส่ยาวแล้วก็ได้
Mm.
นี่ยูนิฟูฮะ
Oh, okay. Wait. Let me see this. Oh, this okay. This okay. Okay.
นี่เดี๋ยว
No. Maybe this one
พอ
okay.
แล้วเลยนี่ปะทะ
Okay, thank you. Kayaw. Tapos laho. Pwede ba yun? Laho Village. Kayaw. Tapos laho. Wala tayong ano eh, tour guide. Kayaw long neck. Galing ano? That's nice. Ano niya? Yun yung maliit lang. Maliit lang. Ay, maliit lang. Maliit lang to. First one. Hello. What is that? Oh, that's their school. It's the same. Same. Hello. Oh, she's making that one? That? Oh. Okay. Oh, more. Bakit ganun yung ano nila? Hi! Oh! Long Neck Village. Wow! Hello! Sawadika!
Hello. Thank you.
Hi! Hello! Hello! Mga chicken. Dito tayo kay ate magpa-picture. Hello. Sawadik. Okay. 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 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. One more. Huh? Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, donation. Saan? Oh, give her the ano?
How much? 20?
20, yeah.
20 ka dyan lang, 20 dito.
Ay, oo, meron pala akong 20.
Ito.
Thank you.
Donate.
Okay. Thank you, Alika. Thank you. Oh, it's here? Oh, we came here earlier, right? Oh, we just came back. Yeah, sa kanya ako nagpa-picture kanina eh. Yeah.
When did we go through this?
Umikot lang tayo eh.
No,
Exit na eh, oh. Cambodia. Ay, kapag
The exact same.
Ay, bigyan mo lang sa kanya. Thank you. Wala. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, thanks. I want the small one. dito. Isa lang. Okay, it's the same. Right. Thank you. Alex, ito yung gusto ko, oh. Alex. Tignan ko lang kung ano yung gusto ko.
Saan mo ilalagay yun?
Gusto ko nga ng isang ganito, kahit isang ganito lang. Yung pink na lang. Pink. Ay, isa yung gusto ko. Magaang lang kasi. Yung isa yung black bigat. Thank you.
Hindi mo yung babae.
Maganda siya.
It's okay. Thank you.
Exit. And we're home.